When you search for the best multi-process welder, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But if you want to know which ones actually deliver results and which ones are just flashy, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Welder 205, a MIG welder. First up is the Welder 205, a MIG welder, priced at $339.99. This caught my attention right away with its 5-in-1 functionality and a strong 200 amp output. If you want a versatile machine that can handle everything from MIG to TIG welding, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the Welder 205A stands out. With its dual voltage options of 110V and 220V, you can weld a variety of materials, whether you're working with thin aluminum or thick steel. The Synergia control adjusts the wire feeding speed automatically, which is a lifesaver for beginners worried about settings. You can fine-tune the voltage by up to 3 volts, which gives experienced welders the flexibility they crave. Plus, the clear digital display makes it easy to monitor your settings in real time, ensuring you can focus on your work. Now, some users have mentioned that the machine can feel bulky at times. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a powerful welder that can tackle a wide range of projects, the weight might not be a deal breaker. It really shines in versatility for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This is perfect for you if you're a multitasking welder who wants to handle different types of welding. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable for small jobs. For the price, it offers great value for those serious about welding. Now, if the weight of the Welder 205A concerns you, this next option might be just what you need for mobility without sacrificing power. Product number 2, Welder 135, a MIG welder. Next, we have the Welder 135, a MIG welder, priced at a budget-friendly $109.99. Right off the bat, it's impressive that it offers a 3-in-1 functionality for such an affordable price. If you want a solid entry-level welder that's easy to use, this is a great choice. The Welder 135A is ready to go right out of the box, handling gasless flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG. That means you can start welding immediately, making it perfect for beginners. Its lightweight design at just 11.4 pounds is a game-changer for portability. Plus, the upgraded Synergia control makes it almost impossible to burn through materials, which is a common worry for new welders. This feature adjusts the voltage automatically, ensuring you get consistent results every time. However, some users have pointed out that it lacks the power for heavy-duty jobs. Here's the thing. If you're focused on small to medium projects or need something for light work, this welder is more than capable. It's a fantastic option for hobbyists or DIYers. This is perfect for you if you're new to welding and want something straightforward. Skip this one if you plan to work on heavy-duty materials regularly, as it might not meet those needs. It's an incredible value for its price point. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a balance of power and versatility. Product number 3. Welder 165, a MIG welder. The third product is the Welder 165, a MIG welder, priced at $189.99. This welder caught my eye with its 4-in-1 capabilities and a robust 165 amp output. If you need a balance of power and functionality, this is worth considering. The 165, a MIG welder supports a variety of welding types, including gasless flux core MIG, gas MIG, stick, and lift TIG, which means it can handle a broader range of projects. Its automatic voltage adjustment feature helps beginners and pros alike achieve optimal settings without the hassle. The lightweight design at just 18 pounds makes it easy to transport, perfect for those on-the-go jobs. Plus, it comes with a digital display that enhances your operational experience by providing clear settings. Now, some reviewers mentioned that it can be tricky to set up initially. Here's my take. If you're willing to invest a little time up front, the learning curve pays off with the performance you get. Once you're set, it's a joy to work with. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile welder for various tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for a machine that's completely plug-and-play, as it may require some initial tweaking. For the price and features, it holds great value. Now, if you're looking for something even more advanced in terms of features, keep watching because the next product is a real standout. Product number 4. Welder 160, a MIG welder. Coming in fourth is the Welder 160, a MIG welder, also priced at $179.99. This product intrigued me with its multi-functional capabilities and a good balance of power. If you're looking for a reliable welder for varied projects, this one should be on your radar. The Welder 160A is a 4-in-1 machine that can handle flux core MIG, gas MIG, stick, and lift TIG. This flexibility means it can tackle a range of tasks, from automotive repairs to DIY projects. It provides a stable 160A output and is compatible with various welding wires, making it a solid choice for different materials. The Smart Control feature automatically adjusts voltage and wire feeding speed, which is fantastic for beginners. Plus, the LED display enhances visibility for easy operation. However, some users pointed out that the weight can be a concern for extended use. Here's the thing. If you're looking for a workhorse welder that you plan to use at a fixed location, the weight is less of an issue. It's still portable enough for most job sites. This is perfect for you if you want a machine that offers great versatility without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something ultra-light for transport. It's definitely a value for the features provided. Now, for those who want something even more powerful and feature-rich, the final product might be exactly what you're seeking. Product number 5. R-Captain 200, a MIG welder. Last but not least, we have the R-Captain 200, a MIG welder, priced at $369.99. Right from the start, this one stands out with its 6-in-1 functionality, making it a serious contender for serious welders. If you want a comprehensive welding solution, consider this one. The R-Captain MIG welder offers a range of functions including gas/solid wire MIG, gasless flux core, stick, spot welding, and lift TIG. This versatility means you can handle just about any welding job you throw at it. Its digital control system automatically matches the current and wire speed, which simplifies the welding process. The large LED display is a game changer, allowing you to read settings without fumbling with your helmet. Plus, it features advanced safety measures to protect you while you work. However, some reviewers have mentioned that it can be a bit pricier than entry-level options. Here's the thing. If you're serious about welding and plan to tackle a variety of projects, this investment pays off in performance and durability. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious hobbyist who needs a versatile machine. Skip this one if you're just starting out and looking for something simpler. It's a solid investment for the features and performance it delivers. In conclusion, if you're weighing your options, the Welder 205A is great for versatility. The Welder 135A is perfect for newcomers. The Welder 165A offers a balance of power. The Welder 160A provides multi-functionality, and the R-Captain 200A is a powerhouse for serious projects. To wrap it up, we've covered a range of multi-process welders. The Welder 205A is fantastic for those seeking versatility. The 135A is ideal for beginners. The 165A offers a solid balance. The 160A provides great functionality, and the R-Captain 200A is perfect for serious welders. Whatever your welding needs are, there's definitely an option here that fits.